All right, our first example with dealing with parallelograms. We've already talked about some of the characteristics of this already. So let's go ahead and get started here. So we're going to talk about angle. I don't like this. So I'm going to go back again. I don't like this. What I got my eraser on. I don't want that. So here we go with this. Okay, so we got angle OB is equal to 32 degrees. And the thickness of this is going to be too much. Okay, so we're going to write in 32 degrees. Okay, this is this angle B right here. Now it says that CD, let's change colors here. Yeah, they said that CD on this side right here is equal to 80. Okay, and then it says BC, change the color that one, which is this side over here, is equal to 15. Okay, so now based on the rules that we know about a parallelogram, that we can also say, because we're looking for what AD is, so AD is over here. Based on the rules that we know about, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal to each other. So we could sit there and say that this side is also 15. Okay, and that's the answer we're looking for. But I want to go a little bit further here and talk about a couple of other things really quick as far as the rules are concerned. Again, so we know if DC is equal to 80, we can also say that this side is also equal to 80. Okay. We also said if this is 32 degrees, that means we know that angle D is also going to be equal to 32 degrees. Now, one thing that they didn't say in the video that I want to talk to you about a little bit here is the fact that consecutive angles are going to be supplementary. So if this one down here is 32 degrees, which is right here, okay, that means this one up here, angle A, right here, is going to be 180 degrees minus 32. Okay, in this case, so 180 minus 32 is at 150. So this is going to be 148. So this one's going to be 148 degrees. So if angle A is 148, that means C is also going to be what? 148 degrees. Well, I don't know what he did on that part of it. So let's go ahead and clear that off of there. So 148 degrees. So when we sit there and say, so 48 and 32 is 148 degrees. I mean, is 180. And we again go this way, also 180 degrees. So that, but the biggest thing I just want to make sure that we understand is that each angle is opposite angles are always going to be congruent, supplementary on each side. But we want to again find AD, and again our final answer is going to be 15. So something to think about when we talk about stuff in the future. All right, that's our first example. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in Teams or when you come to class the next time. All right, talk to you guys later.